A budgeting app wants $109 annually to tell you where your money goes. That's $9 monthly for spreadsheet functionality wrapped in philosophical speeches about dollar jobs. Hit like and subscribe because I'm investigating whether YNAB actually transforms your finances or just empties your wallet while preaching fiscal responsibility. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. It uses zero-based budgeting, meaning every dollar gets assigned a job before you spend it. The app pushes 4 rules: give every dollar a job, embrace true expenses, roll with punches, and age your money. Solid philosophy, but you're paying $109 yearly for what amounts to envelope budgeting with a smartphone interface. The pricing structure offers 2 options: $14.99 monthly or $109 annually. Monthly subscribers spend $180 yearly. Annual saves you $71. College students get it free for 1 year, which feels strategic since building lifetime habits early locks in future paying customers. YNAB demands involvement. You manually categorize transactions, allocate funds to spending categories, and constantly monitor your budget. It's not set it and forget it automation. You're essentially maintaining a detailed financial spreadsheet, but paying subscription fees for the privilege. The app syncs with bank accounts, but users report frequent syncing issues requiring manual entry anyway. User reviews split predictably. Devoted followers claim YNAB changed their financial lives. The subreddit has 205,000 members treating it like a lifestyle philosophy. App Store ratings hit 4.8 stars. Users report finally breaking paycheck-to-paycheck cycles and building emergency funds. Then there's reality. Many users complain the learning curve feels steep. The methodology requires consistent discipline most people lack. Others mention spending more time managing the budget than actually living life. International users pay premium prices but get fewer features than Americans, particularly bank syncing capabilities. Free alternatives exist. Every dollar offers zero-based budgeting with free and paid tiers. Pocket Guard simplifies expense tracking. Empower provides comprehensive financial dashboards at zero cost. Even Google Sheets accomplishes similar results if you build your own system. The verdict? YNAB works brilliantly if you commit fully to the methodology and have discipline to maintain it daily. The philosophy is sound,